सुबह सुबह यह खबर पढ़ और दिमाग घूम गया। आईपीएल स्पॉट फिक्सिंग स्कैंडल इज बैक टू हॉन्ट यूज एंड आई एम स्टिल ट्राइंग टू रैप माई हेड अराउंड इट। हाउ कैन प्लेयर्स डू दिस टू द गेम वी लव?
Naturally, when you hear about such scandals, you start questioning the very fabric of the game. And I think it's high time we take a closer look at the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, and their role in all this, क्योंकि वो तो बस नाम के वास्ते है.
Obviously, the news of S. Srisanta's involvement has sent shockwaves through the cricketing community, and I am appalled by the fact that someone who has represented India at the highest level could be involved in such a shameful act. ये तो सच में बहुत बुरा है।
Generally speaking, when you look at the facts, it's clear that the BCCI's Anti-Corruption Unit, ACU, has been working closely with the police to gather evidence. But I think it's also important to ask why it took them so long to take action. कितने साल लग गए हैं मुझे?
Frankly, I am not surprised by the media's response to this scandal. They are more interested in sensationalizing the story than actually providing us with facts. और वो तो बस टीआरपी के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।
Honestly, when you analyze the situation, it's clear that the BCCI is responsible for letting things get this far. They have been warned about corruption in the IPL before, but they chose to ignore it. ये भी तो उन्हें जवाब देना होगा.
Incredibly, the impact of this scandal on common Indians is going to be huge. We are the ones who support the game, who watch the matches, and who idolize the players, और फिर भी हम इसमें सब सहना पड़ता है।
Insanely, if you look at the historical pattern in India, it's clear that corruption is a disease that affects all aspects of our society, from politics to sports. It's high time we take a stand against it, नहीं तो यह कभी नहीं रुकेगा.
Jokingly, I think we should start a petition to change the name of the IPL to Indian Premier Fixing League, क्योंकि अब तो यह सच में फिक्स्ड है और सबको पता है।
Seriously though, the people responsible for this scandal need to be held accountable, and we need to make sure that they face the consequences of their actions, वरना तो यह सब बेकार है.
Ultimately, it's up to us, the audience, to demand more from the BCCI and from the players. We need to make our voices heard and we need to stand up against corruption. नहीं तो कभी कुछ नहीं बढ़ागा।
Normally, I would say that we should give the BCCI a chance to clean up their act, but considering their track record, I think it's time for a complete overhaul. पूरा सिस्टम हाई बदलना चाहिए.
Sadly, the fact remains that the love and passion we have for the game is being exploited by those in power, and it's devastating to think that the very people we idolize are involved in such corrupt activities. ये तो सच में दिल टूटने वाला है।
Interestingly, if you look at the numbers, the IPL generates billions of dollars in revenue each year, but a significant portion of that money is being siphoned off by corrupt individuals. कितना बड़ा scam है यह?
Astonishingly, the BCCI has been quick to suspend the players involved, but what about the others who are guilty? What about the ones who have been covering this up? अनहीन तो पकड़ना होगा।
Realistically, the road to recovery will be long and difficult, but I think it's essential that we take this opportunity to reform the system, to make sure that such scandals never happen again. नहीं तो फिर से यह सब होगा.
Disgustingly, the fact that some players are willing to sell out the game for a few extra bucks is a reflection of the society we live in, where greed and corruption are rampant. ये तो सच में बहुत बुरी है।
Remarkably, the Indian cricket team has always been a symbol of national pride, but now it's time for us to take a step back and re-evaluate what we stand for, क्योंकि यह सब तो बिल्कुल गलत है.
Painfully, the truth is that we, as a nation, are guilty of tolerating corruption, of looking the other way when we see something wrong, and it's time for us to change that. नहीं तो कभी कुछ नहीं बदलेगा।
Mercilessly, the BCCI needs to be held accountable for their failure to prevent this scandal, and we need to make sure that they take concrete steps to prevent such incidents in the future. वरना तो यह सब बेकार है.
Devastatingly, the closing verdict is that the love of the game is being destroyed by those who are supposed to protect it, and it's up to us to demand justice, to demand change, और यह तो हमें मिलना चाहिए।